All right, so let's talk about when this market, the cryptocurrency market, is going to boom. Hi and welcome back. This is Molt Media. Hope you're all having a fantastic day out there. I'm in the not so sunny San Diego right now. Down in Southern California, we are absolutely getting dumped on in terms of rain. So I hope it's a little bit more dry where you're at. I know it certainly is not where I am. Now, yesterday I put out a video where I talked about the overall market. I talked a little bit about XLM and, where this market's going. And I essentially said a lot of individuals out there right now, and I get it because we're all fatigued. We're all fatigued after having been in this bear market for a long time. But a lot of individuals right now are saying, win, 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 win. When will our favorite utility-driven cryptos explode? When will we see those life-changing gains? Because I did have an individual in the comment section say, look, I'm a little over 50 years old, which really isn't that old. I just turned 37 on Sunday. Still consider myself somewhat young, but said, look, I'm over 50. I don't want to have to wait until I'm in my deathbed or in a wheelchair to get life-changing gains. And I'll say this right here, right now, is that I don't believe you're going to have to wait a matter of several years or anything like that. I think it's going to move along a lot faster than what many think. So in this short and concise video, I'm going to talk about some targets. I'm going to talk a little bit about when I think this market is going to take off. All I ever ask is if you like XRP content, XLM, Algo, HBAR, any of these utility-driven coins, you like talking about cryptocurrency in the markets, click that like button below. Give us a big thumbs up. Of course, if you're new to the channel, you want to join our community, it's absolutely free. Just click that subscribe button while you're down there. Now, first, I am not a palm reader. I cannot predict the future. And those individuals that say this coin or that coin is going to hit this specific price target by this specific date are lying. They're liars. They're lying to you. And so you have to get away from that content. What I try to do on this channel is educate based off my experience, and I guarantee you I will be truthful. My job is not to feed you a bunch of bull and lie to you. It is to give you the experience that I've got. This is a free channel. And I obviously like to talk about the utility-driven coins. Now, where do I stand on this market? We're starting to turn more bullish. In fact, I've sold more of my stocks here recently to deploy more into cryptocurrency. We're talking XRP, XLM, Algorand, HBAR. I believe things are heating up in a big way. And over the past week or so, I'm sure for those of my loyal subscribers out there, you have kind of noticed that and understood that I am starting to dollar cost average more into these coins because I think things are heating up much faster than what many out there think. Regulation is moving along very fast right now. We just had ISO go live on yesterday, actually. And so everything's starting to piece together. We see all the partnerships. We see what Ripple and Stellar are doing. And these, by the way, XRP and XLM are my two favorite coins right now. I do hold bags in Algo, HBAR, a few others, right? Utility-driven coins. I think they're all going to succeed. But what I'm really focusing on right now is XLM and XRP. And reason being is because I believe these two coins have already positioned themselves globally to be kind of like the infrastructure of this new digital revolution. Now, people thinking that this is going to take several years. Look, we're in an industry that is moving along much, much faster than any out there. We have a lot of powerful regulators on our side. I understand what's happening with Ripple and SEC in that case. By the way, I believe Ripple's going to win. With that aside, I think we're going to be safe regardless. This is a little controversial, but even if everything besides, let's say, Bitcoin is deemed a security, in the long run, we are going to 100% win. In my personal opinion, investing in some of these digital assets that have already proven themselves to have real world use case. Keywords: real world use case. And so when we take a look at price targets, I've been on record saying I believe next bull run, $2 to $5 is what we're looking at in XLM. When will the bull run start? Who's to say? I believe if we go over 30K on a BTC, we're going to see a lot more action here. I believe the XRP is going to get from $10 to $20 range in the next bull run. But again, I'm not saying that with 100% confidence because I can't predict the future. All I can tell you is that there's a massive amount of liquidity to come in to these projects once that bull run starts, because institutional buying, because institutions that have already said that they're in on blockchain tech have already been working with these blockchain tech companies. So do you see where I'm going with this? We have a couple winners, more than a couple. We have several winners really in this market, but a couple that are pretty much guarantees in my opinion. Ripple and Stellar are pretty much a guarantee in my opinion, in my mind. I think a lot of people that follow my content can attest to that as well. Based off everything, all evidence points to the fact that they are the new infrastructure of the new financial system. So let me know your thoughts, your opinions, your comments, comment section below. Again, I'm not here to give you exact price targets. I'm here to tell you what these blockchain technology companies are doing for the world and how I 100% believe they will succeed in a huge way. And that is what will create life-changing gains for many of us. Thanks again. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.